We have to remove Google account is 21 Ultra. You see guys that have Google account, so it is version phone. So first guy you enable that code. So first guy that enable the security code. After that you can use to remove Google account. So guys, that phone is connecting on my PC. So first open that tool. So enable security mode, security code for version. So you can wait for second minute. That is waiting. So guys, that is enable now. So that is successful guys. See guys, that is successful. So now guys, so now that code is working on that. See guys, that's working now. Before it's not working. So now we will remove that Google account. I already open it and then connect and then enter that. So there guys, so that's removing. That's finished guy. So that's finished. See guy, so thanks for watching my video, and don't forget subscribe and like my videos. Thanks for watching.